There. Alright, so we're here with the Bonanza. We pulled out all the spark plugs and looked in the cylinders. They look perfect. Look great. This phone won't see in there, so I'm not even gonna try. But we got it hooked up to some jumper cables and we're gonna turn it over.
Also put penetrating hole down the cylinders to help lubricate the top end.
Yeah, he squirted some. And we're gonna turn it over until we get some oil pressure. So let's do it. Yeah, I'm ready.
Just be ready to yank those cables off. Something goes haywire.
Yeah. Fair. Anything at all?
No. Back on. You want to see if those are sparking?
I don't really want to shock myself.
Well, no, but just like put a little gap between them. By the way, it stopped turning on its own. I didn't let off the button.
Oh, really?
I don't know if it times out somehow or
Maybe.
what. It turned over just fine, it seemed like.
Yeah. Okay, hit it. Starter.
Starter solenoid is right down there. I see something turning. Oh, it's the strobe on the bottom. Flash.
Yeah. So that ended well, I guess. Yeah, I'll pick back up once we figure something out here.
Clear.
Okay, we're gonna try it again. I'm gonna see if it has spark. Okay, go. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
I'm just gonna hold the button on while you tap it.
Okay. Oh, I seen some arc.
Oh, do we just have loose connection?
Yeah, we do. There's no nut on the back of the starter. I mean, yeah, we just need a nut. Right back there, the starter doesn't have a nut on it.
Right now we're shut off. You're shut off? Okay. No more fuel will be going ahead. Okay.
We're gonna stay right here because we're getting ready to start that thing.
There.
Mom, can you get me in the truck?
Clear.
There.
That starter.
Oh, yeah.
Starting.
Clear it up.
Is it smoking? Is it blowing smoke? Is it blowing smoke? Seems like it's running pretty good. This should be the mixture tie, and it's full out. That should cut it off.
I feel like something's not right with it.
Yeah, or it's not adjusted right.
What's this down here?
This is the prop, I think. I wonder if you can hear any change.
I didn't realize that when you move the rudder, it moves the ailerons too.
Yeah. That's what killed it. Just shutting off the gas. Alright guys, I just wanted to show real quick what we had to do here to get oil pressure. So it has the line disconnected to the mechanical gauge in the instrument panel there. So we just took a old Harbor Freight oil pressure gauge and put it in the port right up in there. So we're seeing about 55 psi idling while cold. We haven't really got this thing up to temperature yet, but we just have it ran back through there, and then we've only ran it with the cowling off so far. So we run it through the little window so we can watch it. But yeah, I think that's decent oil pressure. We put a few gallons of gas in that tip tank there. We used about 2 gallons and ran empty, and so we went and put another 5 in it. So we should have enough gas now to do a bit more run time with it. One issue that we do have need to look into is, if you look inside the intake here, if I can show it, we're getting fuel puddling up in this intake tube here, and I don't know if something on the carburetor's leaking or what's going on, but we need to address that. The carburetor itself looks like it's almost brand new. It looks like it was just rebuilt, but everything in here is pretty filthy. So just wanted to give a quick update on that. You'll see in the video that the gauge on the instrument panel doesn't work. That's where I had the camera pointed at, and the reason for that is because it's not hooked up. So that's it.